Welcome to the 2018 EuCheMS Congress here at the ACC in Liverpool. The chair of the Congress, Professor Bengt Nordén, joins me now. So much planning, so much preparation has gone into this event. Tell me a little bit about your involvement.
Well, it all started in 2006 when we had the first Congress in chemistry in Budapest. At that time, Nobel laureate Jean-Marie Lehn and I were sitting down with the concern that the word chemistry in people's ears was not the best to hear. And the same year, our Prime Minister in Sweden, a person named Persson, had said that my goal is to make Sweden the first country that is completely free of chemicals. So we thought that we should not use chemistry or chemical. We call it molecular frontiers, and you could look that up. It has been a success story from the very beginning. Its advisors are Nobel laureates, the top people in the world, but not only in chemistry, in physics, medicine, mathematics, and so on.
So what are your hopes for the next few days here?
Well, the hope for the next days is that it will evolve very much like we thought at that first conference, that all the responsibilities and potentials of chemistry should be fulfilled, covering a broad spectrum from material science all the way to medicine. And chemistry is today in the driver's seat. A century ago it was physics that was behind all important development. Today it's actually chemistry. And I hope we will see that during this meeting.
And what are you most looking forward to then over the next few days?
Well, the plenary talks, we are very happy to have the best plenary speakers in the world. They represent such a broad spectrum that we hope that the delegates, the participants here, will be inspired to meet across the boundaries, so that the Congress itself will inspire to new collaborations.
And just finally, I mean, are these exciting times for chemistry? You say that it's replaced physics in some ways as the driver.
Well, it is, because all complex phenomena are in the bottom molecular phenomena. Take the very complex thing we call life, for instance. We begin to understand its complexity, but we have a long way to go. We have a challenge how to understand the molecular interactions that are behind, how we can exploit them, how we can assist them. And of course, for the benefit of mankind, this is where the chemists could do some very good things.
Professor, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the next few days.